How to set up a Gmail email account on your Android phone. If you've already created a Gmail account, you can simply follow these steps to sign in and start using it. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. If this is your first time using the app, tap Add an email address. If you're already signed in with another account, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Add another account. Next, choose Google from the list of account types. Now, enter your Gmail email address and tap Next. Then enter your password and tap Next again. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. If you're asked to review any Google settings, simply follow the prompts and tap I agree or accept where required. Once the setup is complete, your Gmail account will automatically sync with your phone. You'll be able to send and receive emails, access your inbox, and use other Google services linked to your account. That's it! You've successfully set up your Gmail email account on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.